this total building took us around 1 year to build, right from the start of production of the building materials, selection of the raw materials, production of the equal cement, production of the building materials, and then construction. We started it roughly around a year ago, and first when we did we had some issues with the production of the cement, various types of blends, and then once we produced it, we produced the various types of building materials. We produced it in little bit pilot scale and then tested it, because without testing we would not allowed it to use it in the building. So once it was tested and it was found okay, then we produced it in large scale. Once we produced in large scale, we also were doing regular quality checks. And then the building design that you see, we evolved. It was an evolution of the design. We didn't thought of it on our own. We tried to be selected architects who were usually accustomed to doing this kind of designs. And this is a typical design that you see in Bundelkhand, in this area, which is a traditional design, and we amalgamated it with the modern kind of design. When the construction was going on, we were closely following. We didn't tell anything to the masons that this is a good cement or a bad cement, or even this is a different kind of cement. But it is a cement that they will have to work with. And we were closely observing what was their behavior, what was their feedback, how are they doing it. The only feedback that I got was that it is a little bit difficult to spread it out on a break or spread it out during the masonry work. So otherwise, they couldn't even recognize per se that this is a different kind of cement. Once that was done, then the building was made. Basically, we didn't feel it that we are working with a different kind of cement. So to us, it was anything like a normal cement. The only thing that we played here is with the kind of the color of the cement. We had 4 types of blends, blend A, B and blend C and D. A, B were whitish in color, C and D was reddish in color, and we did various kind of designs with that. We played it around. We have been working with the cement companies. During this project, last 1 year, we had visited quite a number of cement companies, including construction companies. Their belief is, what they call it as seeing is believing. Whatever the results that you do in the lab, whatever the results that you produce in papers, it is actually in the practice, people who are doing it in the field, they regard it as fantastic literature for research. But actually, when you build something so that you can see something, feel something, sense something, that is, I think, one of the most important things that will remain in everybody's memory, and people will take it, people will do the photographs, take photographs of it and do it. And this is what people will now believe. Now we can say that yes, this is a building that is made of LC3. And once we say that this is made of LC3, people will say that yes, people will believe in that cement.